Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping label to be 4 by 6 inches. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got an order and you're looking to actually get your label in 4 by 6 inches. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, the way that I've been able to figure this out is here we have an order that was just placed today. If we actually go ahead and click on Get Shipping Label, when you click on Get Shipping Label, what you need to do is that there's going to be this option here that says Switch to Basic Shipping or Switch to Advanced Shipping. Click on Switch to Advanced Shipping and then scroll down. And then where it says Print Format, you want to click on Change, and then click on 4 by 6 and then click on Save. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your shipping label to be 4 by 6 inches. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.